Good morning guys! Magluto tayo ng guys, string beans with pork. No? Adobo mga batong saka may pork. Umpisahan natin guys. Garlic, onion. Hello, this is my son, Kaen. And this is my grandson, Rua. Yung pork, nilagyan natin. Lagyan natin paminta. Lagyan natin ng nor powder. Lagyan natin sugar. Kunti lang. Water. Lagyan natin yung string beans. Lagyan natin oyster sauce. Guys, kaya na! Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye!